Hey guys, Jason here from SMYD Accounting and Advisory. Now today I want to talk about one of the most passionate pieces of advice that I love to give all of my clients. That is the 7 ways that you can grow your business. I don't care what it is that you can do. These 7 ways in some way, shape or form will be applicable to you. So if we think about this, the first way that you can grow your business is simply to increase your leads. Increase the amount of sales that you're doing, pump some money into your digital marketing, increase the amount of people that are coming into your business. Pretty simple solution, really. However, that might not be the problem. You might have plenty of leads coming in. So the second aspect we'll look at is, what is your conversion? There's no point bringing in 100 leads a week if we're only converting 1. Why would we then want to bring in 200 leads a week to convert 2 when we could look at seeing how we could convert 10 of the current 100 leads that are coming in? That would be like, A, are we getting bad quality leads? So we need to work on the actual marketing we're doing to try and qualify and get better leads. Or are we just not very good at selling? Are we not selling the vision? Are we not getting to the reason why they're coming to us in the first place? So is there an issue with our conversion of our leads? The third thing we would look at is, what's your churn? Like a retention rate. Like there's no point bringing in 2 or 3 clients a week if you're then churning out and spitting out 1 or 2 out the back. What if we just continued with what you're doing here, bringing them in, and focused on the problems here and the actual within the business to stop people leaving? Okay, like so often we look at like, how do we bring more in? How do we bring more in? But we got this hole in the bathtub where the water's coming out and we don't even realize it. And we're pumping all this resource into acquisition that we forget all about retention. Acquisition's very, very costly. Retention can be a really simple fix, like responding to people's emails in a timely manner. That might be all you need to do to increase your retention. So we've increased our leads, or we've increased our conversion, or we've fixed our retention. The next thing is these people that are buying from us. Can we increase the transaction value? Can we upsell them? Can we put our prices up? Can we move them onto higher packages? What is it that we can do with these people, with these clients or these customers, that we can get them buying more off us? Rather than buying that through quantity, can we increase it through sales, so value. The next aspect is volume. Can they just buy more? If someone's buying X amount of products off us, can they buy Y? Can we increase the volume they're buying off us by 10%? If we can actually get that same client or customer base buying 10% more off of us, nothing else has changed, and all of a sudden we've increased our business and we've grown it. So just recapping where we're at so far, you can increase the number of leads coming in. You can increase your conversion. You can halt or reduce the churn, so you can increase your retention. You can increase the value, so you can increase the transaction value of your customers, what they're buying off you. Or you can just get them to buy more, so you could increase that frequency. The sixth way we can grow your business is just simply to increase your gross margin. We reduce your costs of goods sold? So this is a real classic one at the moment, especially with inflation and supply shortages and all sorts of havoc going on at that cost base. Are we passing that on to our clients? Or are those increasing costs eating into our gross margin, in which case it's going to be a real struggle for our business to sell? If we're struggling to control that gross margin, in many cases trying to find a solution of bringing more customers in is just going to exacerbate the problem. So at the moment, number 6, which is looking at your gross margin, is probably one of the most important aspects we're working with our clients, because if we don't have that under control, every other aspect is actually going to start suffering. The 7th way that we can look to grow your business is just simply your overheads. Now, don't get confused. That doesn't mean that we're just going to cut the overheads. Can we cut this? Can we cut that? Can we reduce that? In many cases, 7 ways to grow your business, right? Number 7 is not about cut. It's about, you're actually not putting enough overhead in there. There's not enough advertising. There's not enough marketing. There's not enough outsourced expenses in there. You know, like there's not enough advisory expenses in there. You don't have a business partner. Like, you know, that's actually where we can look at growing your business. We don't want to look at growing your business by just slash. I mean, in many cases, there may be some incremental changes we can make. We can make some adjustments here or adjustments there. But in many cases, to grow your business, it's actually about giving you the permission to increase your overhead expenses in line with that long-term strategic plan. So, in summary, 7 ways that we can grow your business. Number 1 is to increase your leads. Number 2 is to increase your conversion. Number 3 is to reduce your churn or increase your retention. Number 4 is to increase the transaction value. Number 5 is to increase the transaction frequency. Number 6 is to increase your gross margin. And number 7 is to increase the efficiency of your overhead spending. Now, if you feel like you want to work with us to help you identify any of those ways that we can help you grow your business, please do get in contact with us at SMYD Accounting and Advisory.